Hello everyone and welcome back to this video, and in this video is going to cover what is a cash cow channel on YouTube. So if you come across the term cash cow, I'm going to explain what it is as best as I can based on my experience with the cash cow YouTube model. I've been doing it for about 3 years plus, and my goal is to help people like you understand what this model of YouTube entices, and it's a fabulous business model. You don't want to miss it. So cash cow YouTube channels, it's basically, in my opinion, a channel in which you get tons of views on the channel, and views equate to money. You make money through AdSense. It's YouTube's partnership program with AdSense, and for every 1,000 views that you get on ads, you get paid like an X amount, whether it's $3-4 or up to anywhere from $30 depending on your niche. So a cash cow channel involves heavily on outsourcing the work. So imagine this, imagine you're a YouTube creator and you're creating the video. You can only create so many videos in a day, which is why YouTube cash cows are actually a really popular thing. And the reason why is because you can scale the channel. So in a cash cow model, there's usually a team of script writers, voiceover artists, video editors, thumbnail designers, description writers, uploaders. All these different roles come together in order to form a cash cow channel led by you, supposedly. So what I'm pulling up is basically an example of a cash cow channel. And Nonstop Sports is a channel in the sports, but they're a cash cow channel that they hire a script writer to write the scripts, they hire a voiceover artist to recite the scripts, and then they hire a video editor to compile the scripts all together. So Nonstop Sports is a channel that I've been following since they're around like 50K subs or less. They're currently getting about 8 million views per month. And I have a sports channel myself, and this is definitely over $50,000 per month, which is how much this channel is making. So if you could imagine that a single video will only cost you, let's say, about $100 per video. Nonstop Sports is only posting 9 times a month, so that's about a $900 overhead per month. They're making $50,000. Do you see the huge marginal profit difference in terms of return on investment? They're putting in $900 and they're getting $50,000 back. That is insane. That is so cool and insane. But at the same time, cash cow channels, it doesn't have to be in sports. You can cover any niche that you want. You essentially just need to choose a niche. You need to research some topics, hire the team, create the videos, and upload the videos as well. But one thing you have to understand is that there's a lot of people going into this space. So let's pretend that you decide to do a channel in sports. I'm sure there's a lot of people doing sports channels as well. So you've got to make sure that you have got good thumbnails, good titles, good topics. Try and be the first one to cover trending news in regards to sports. Cash cows, they don't always rely on trending, but I would say that the easiest niches to grow are channels and are niches in which there are trending news that happens. So whatever niche you choose, if there is like trending news that occurs, I would recommend that you try to be the first one to cover that topic when it does come. But Nonstop Sports, you can see that their thumbnails are very, very well done. They're getting tons of views. They have a loyal fan base. Nonstop Sports basically covers all sports, right? Football, MMA, basketball especially. But a channel like this, it can be completely outsourced. I kid you not, with my channels that I run myself, I spend less than 4 hours a week maintaining them, managing them. I always overlook them, but I have project managers to help create the content. I have script writers to write the scripts, voiceover artists to write the voiceovers or recite the voiceovers, video editors to edit the videos. Basically, we're a team of like 100 to 150, and we produce videos for channels, and those channels get views, and when they get views, we make money. So that's the idea with this cash cow channel model of YouTube. So if you're interested, I have a ton of videos teaching about cash cow models. You just have to look around. It's all for free. Definitely exhaust your free options before you, let's say, invest into like a $20,000 program. I kid you not, if you were to spend $20,000 on a program, you can spend $20,000 on videos and probably get a video to take off using the tactics and strategies that I teach on my free YouTube channel here. So aside from that, if you have any questions or concerns regarding what is a cash cow channel, feel free to comment down below and I'd be more than happy to help you out. In addition, also join my free Facebook group below, where I help people with YouTube, specifically the cash cow model of YouTube. So aside from that, that's all I have for this video, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the next video.